Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your BMW Z4 convertible top. First, ensure your vehicle is completely stationary and the engine is running. Before proceeding, quickly check for any overhead or surrounding obstructions that might interfere with the roof's movement. Finally, confirm that the trunk partition is securely in its correct position, as this is crucial for the top to operate safely. Now, let's unlatch the roof. Reach up and locate the roof release handle, typically found above your rearview mirror. Give the handle a firm turn to release the latches holding the convertible top in place. Once unlatched, gently push the front edge of the roof upward just a few inches to initiate its movement. This small manual push helps prepare the top for its automatic retraction. With the roof unlatched and slightly open, it's time for the power operation. Locate the convertible top button, usually near your gear selector. Press and hold this button continuously. Keep it pressed until the entire top is fully stowed away in its compartment. You'll often hear a confirmation chime or see a light indicating the process is complete. To finish, double-check that the convertible top is completely folded and securely tucked into its storage area. Ensure all windows are properly lowered, which helps reduce wind buffeting and enhances your open-air driving experience. Now you're ready to enjoy the open road. For an effortless home clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing product, along with other great deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.